What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Now listen, I've realized at this point in my life, I don't make the best decisions. I like to do a lot of things with the mindset of just because, you know what I'm saying? So basically I came across this project literally around 6 or 7 hours ago. I saw it on Twitter and I was like, there's no possible way this is legit. So what did I do? I dove into their Twitter, I dove into their Discord, I dove into YouTube videos. It was literally on like 4 YouTube videos on this. And I started watching, and apparently this is actually true. Well, it's true what they're offering. I don't know if it's legit. I'm not saying it's safe. This is not financial advice, please. I'm actually begging y'all, do not take this as financial advice or me telling you to do this. I am simply the test dummy doing this for entertainment purposes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not hinting you guys jump in this. I don't care what the number is. Please don't do it. I'm here to entertain you guys, and I'm here to take all the risks for you guys. Therefore, if this is a complete rug pull and I lose all my money, I at least didn't let you guys lose all your money. I would personally tell you guys if I think you guys should hop into something. This right here, definitely not something I would suggest you hopping into. This is literally just for the memes. This is literally just for the trolls. This is literally just because I'm bored and want something to do. But without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. So boom, here we are, Snowdog. Snowdog. So recently I've made a bunch of videos about a bunch of different DAOs. I've made about Wonderland. I've made about, well, I actually didn't release the other video about Klima yet, but that video is coming out very soon. But this next DAO is an Olympus Fork. Look at the screen. Can anybody tell me what number this is? Okay, so this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is millions, this is billions, this is trillions, this is gazillions, this is, what the heck is after gazillions? And what is after that? I've never seen this many commas in my life. This coin is offering 526-643-710-648-243-650-0000000% APY. I don't even know how much that is. I literally stumbled upon this. Somebody was talking about it on Twitter. So I was like, ain't no way this is real. It has to be Photoshop. So what did I do? I went on their website, and sure enough, it's literally sitting right here. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, this is not financial advice. This is not me telling you to go into this. I don't care how good this APY looks. Do not ape into this. I'm literally just showing you guys this for entertainment purposes only, you know what I'm saying? Listen, they have $12 million locked in here already. Somebody has a bunch of people have collectively $12,223,139 locked in this as a whole. And this is not the end. If we go to the dashboard, this is absolutely ridiculous. I'm gonna break down exactly what's going on here, just in case you don't understand it. Listen, so as you see, there's a little bar here, day 1, day 5, day 8. This Olympus DAO Reserve is, well, Olympus DAO Fork is only going to be available for 8 days. It literally started yesterday. Today is the 18th as of right now that I'm making this video, and it's only going until the 25th of November. And after that, all of the coins are just being absolutely destroyed. They're going to be burned and forgotten about. So what does that mean? Let's just read through it really quickly so we get a breakdown. So day 1, on the 17th, which was yesterday, minting is available for 5 days. You can accumulate SDOG by minting, staking, or buying from the market. Staking APY will be the largest number you have ever seen in your life. They are not lying. I don't even know how to pronounce this number. Somebody commented down below, how do you actually pronounce this number? I'm not sure. But minting vested term is 3 days versus 5 days usually. That's talking about over here. I can get to that a little bit later. Day 5, no more SDOG can be minted. SDOG not yet redeemed can still be redeemed. Staking remains unchanged. So once day 5 hits, once the 22nd comes, you know what I'm saying, you will no longer be able to buy any more SDOG. You'll no longer be able to mint any more SDOG. It's kind of stuck as it is, but if you have money in here, you will be able to take it out. And on day 8, which is the 25th, all assets from the treasury except the SDOG MIM are swapped for MIM at a random time of day 8. All the MIM is spent to orchestrate a massive buyback of SDOG from the SDOG MIM liquidity pool. SDOG brought will be burnt, staking rewards will be paused, and you will always be able to unstake your SDOG. All the contracts ownership will be renounced. SDOG will have a fixed supply and will become the meme currency of AVAX. So basically what all that means is, why is my cat screaming? Y'all hear this? Simba, you wanna make money? I'm trying to teach them how to make money. You're being greedy. Everybody gotta eat, not just you, my guy. You not listening? You don't care. Understood, got it. But I see this number, and what do I see? Opportunity. You know what I'm saying? I don't suggest doing this, but I'm sometimes I'm stupid, but sometimes I'm also smart. This is one of the things that you're gonna look back on, and you're gonna be like, wow, you really just threw away all that money for no reason. Sometimes I see things, and it's kind of like, why not type of thing. This is one of those times I am gonna put some money into this. I'm thinking $500. I'll probably put $500 into this just to see what happens in 5 days. Because if we look right here, the return on investment in 5 days is 98%, which is technically 100%, which technically means I'm doubling my money in 5 days. So when I see that, I just can't not do it. If I lose $500, I won't cry. You know what I'm saying? It'll suck, but it won't be the end of my life. You know, so I'm not suggesting none of you guys do this. I do not. This is for entertainment purposes. I want you guys to watch me make a fool of myself and then come back five days later and brag to y'all about how I made $500 by doing absolutely nothing in 5 days. So we're gonna come right here to Trader Joe XYZ. I put some AVAX inside of my account because it's on the Avalanche blockchain. This right here is actually not fun. The price impact is 9.64%, so I'm basically gonna lose. I think this is, let me actually see how much this is. All right, finally got it. This 10% is literally gonna take like freaking $50 out of it, so I'm technically only staking $450, but hey, it's for the content, right? I guess swap anyway. This is actually not gonna be fun. Please type the word confirm to continue. Confirm. Unexpected issue. Let's try this again. So it works. We now have 0.25 SDOG. Now we're gonna come here, max out. Oh, I guess it didn't refresh it. Let's try refreshing the page. And now let's max it out. Boom, approve. This is absolutely ridiculous. Sometimes I don't even think before I do things, and this is definitely one of those times. I'm just stuck on the fact that I can't even say this word. Please somebody comment down below, how do you actually say those numbers? Because I'm stuck. I don't know what's after gabillion, gazillion, gatrillion. Is that how it goes? It says our transaction was successful. Let's refresh the page, see if it moves to our staked balance. It did not, so we're gonna have to try and do it again. Spend another 6 cents to try and do this. All right, now let's try. Refresh, let's see if it moves to my stake balance, and it did. So now we wait. I will come back in 5 days to show you guys if this trade was profitable or if I lost all of my $500, which would actually suck. But make sure to subscribe with the post notifications on so that when I do drop the updated video, you guys will be notified when it drops. I'm you guys' test dummy, like I said before, so I don't suggest you guys get into this. This is literally for entertainment purposes only. I'm very curious to see how this actually turns out. And yeah, that's really the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like right now. Wish me good luck in the comments down below. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram @Jeeper_. Good luck in all your trades. Good luck in all your businesses. Good luck in life as a whole. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Please let this work.